Trucker says to mechanic, I know you are working on my truck right now, but could you help me with this other issue I've been having? Every time I turn the steering wheel, it feels hard, and it's noisy. Help.
Mechanic says,
Sure thing. The first thing I will check in a situation like that is the power steering fluid. If it's low like this one, it's most likely because of the sound and the fact that the steering is hard to turn. Let's see how low it is. Let's get a precise measurement. Yes, sir, your 33 tie wrap clicks under the minimum. If it's that low, you most likely have a leak. Next, check to see if you have a puddle like this one. If you do, look up. Then, follow the trail. In this case, the steering gearbox was leaking. There's a seal right there, right behind the pitman arm. Steering gearbox is going to have to come off, come apart, and get resealed. That's a quick tip of the day, but also, listen to what the Oopies girl has to say.
Awesome, thanks. Make sure you follow Dee for more tee-ups.